Hello, in this video, I will be showing you as you watch how I designed TikTok logo on the Pixellab application on my smartphone. What I want you to learn from this video is the trick I use in customizing any shape in Pixellab. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comment section. We will be creating two circles. Create first circle and give it a black color, and also do not resize it. Create the second circle and give it white color, but this time, resize it to 30. Take note of how I'm erasing one color to give me another perfect shape. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you got value. Subscribe for more.